Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. And today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of the iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro. And iQOO, guys, has always done a great job when it comes to cost benefit. This guy here is no different. They offer a lot of great features and a very low price as well. For me, living in Europe means I can buy from China without paying the high taxes Brazilians face, including for those who live in Europe. Now let's get to our unboxing and initial review with first impressions of this launch, iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro. Let's go to the video, let's do it. Starting the unboxing, a black box with the name iQOO Z highlighted, and on the side label, we have the product version. This one is 16 with 512. Remember that this smartphone was released only in China. It's the Chinese version. But don't worry, it has European Portuguese language, which is fine for you to use. And the Play Store, you just need to download and install it. Opening the box, we see the smartphone, a black cylinder-shaped case underneath, and a quick start guide. Underneath, there's a USB Type-C charging and data cable on both ends, plus an ejector pin. And finally, we have a turbocharger with 120 watts of power, really awesome. And now with the device already in hand, all set up, we have a 6.78-inch active matrix organic light emitting diode display with a refresh rate of 144 Hz, more than 1 billion colors and a peak brightness of 4,400 nits, a beautiful display. It has a very comfortable grip, weighs 206 grams, and is 8.1 millimeters thick. This is the most beautiful orange I found. Check out how the reflection detail changes, so cool. Definitely, it deserves a big pat on the back. The right side has the power and volume buttons. On top are an infrared sensor and noise-canceling mic. The left side is smooth and featureless. At the bottom, there's a dual nano SIM tray, 5G SIM card slot microphone, USB Type-C port, and stereo output. The artificial intelligence that comes pre-installed on it is Blue Artificial Intelligence. It has a range of features for text and also functions like your secretary, but some information is in Chinese. It also includes photo editing features like erasing, which work very well. To be sure, I installed Gemini and solved the problem. Now, about the battery, guys, 7,000 mAh of silicon carbon. The performance is really great. It lasts all day, and the 120-watt charging is also incredible. 0 to 50% in 15 minutes and 0 to full charge in 33 minutes. Let's move to the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 processor test, which uses 4 nanometers. It scored almost 2 million points on Antutu, a really top score. It doesn't display the temperature or battery loss, but you could easily hold the device. Let's run some footage now playing with it. Playing here, guys. Asphalt Legends with graphics and everything set to the maximum is running very smoothly. No problems, no lag, no delay, nothing like that. Running very smoothly. And now Call of Duty Mobile as well with graphics set to the maximum. Running very well. No freezing, no delay, no lag. Everything's running smoothly, guys. No issues with the processor on this smartphone, so you can relax. It comes with IPMA5 certification, resistant to small drops and also to small water splashes. Be careful with your smartphone, as I always say. The operating system is Orange Operating System 5. Come on, let's go, let's go. This sick. LG offers it to LK. -1 and shoulders 2. Now let's go to his audio and video test. Advanced 2160p maximum volume, and now the brightness 2 at maximum. Let's go. And it's stereo audio, right? And audio.
Very good.
Good. Guys, this device has great audio and images. Its screen is very bright, a really beautiful display with very vivid and truly beautiful colors. The stereo audio is also very good. I liked it. Let's discuss cameras now. On the front is a 16 megapixel camera that records 1080p full high definition at 30 FPS. Let's show photos and videos taken with the front camera. And now guys,
iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro front camera, full high definition 1080p at 30 FPS. Alright, walking a bit, you can see here the ground is really uneven, so you can check the stabilization here along with me. Now I'm going to look for some shades so we can do the high dynamic range test for video here on the front camera. Let's get it now. And let's go. Here it is, ready. It focused on me.
all white,
I focused on the sky.
all black.
Then you choose, that's it, okay? Front camera, maximum resolution, full high definition of the iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro. Wonderful.
Honestly, I thought the front camera was simple but good. It lacks stabilization in 4K video, but it's still a helpful camera. Well, it's not a top-of-the-line camera, but it's not a bad camera either. It's a good camera, okay? And now let's move on to the back, which has only two cameras. A main 50 megapixel camera with optical image stabilization and an 8 megapixel ultra-wide. Both record 4K at 60 FPS. Let's check out some photos and videos taken with the rear camera. I'll be right back to give you my summary and wrap up the video. Let's go, guys. Camera.
Rear camera of the iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro, maximum resolution 4K at 60 FPS with stabilization on, okay? Can you see here that I'm holding it just with my hand?
And here,
The ground is very uneven, but it holds really well. It stabilizes really well. Let's test its focus here. Very fast, awesome. We can't open the wide angle, but we can zoom in here up to 10 times. With stabilization, okay. Very good. Coming back here, 4K 60 FPS from the iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro. Look at how great the stabilization is, huh? That's it, guys.
I don't know about you, but I really like the rear camera. The rear one is very different from the front. Stabilization and 4K look good, and the quality, resolution, and audio capture are all impressive. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I think the rear camera is much better than the front one. Now let's go to the summary here with my positive points, in my opinion. Okay, guys? Great processor, top 7000 mAh battery, blazing 120W, turbocharging, beautiful active matrix organic light, emitting diode screen, excellent stereo sound, and good rear cameras. Most importantly, the price is excellent. And for negative points, it doesn't have wireless charging, and also the front camera, which I think left a little to be desired. But anyway, I want to know your opinion. Comment down below what you thought about this smartphone, if you liked it or not, if it's worth it or not. If you liked the photos, cameras, battery, or screen, what did you like most and least about this device? Comment below. It's important. And before you leave, don't forget to leave your like. If you didn't do it at the beginning, check your subscription to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share this video with everyone. We're in this together. Thank you all. God bless. Big hugs. See you next time. I'm out.